It's a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. You need room, you crave capability, and you also want fun. Yes, you can have it all with this Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, aluminum wheels, 4 12-volt power outlets, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive loved the fact that virtually all buttons and controls are easy to see, read, and reach with good size white letters and graphics. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
We at Lakeland Toyota know you want a reliable used car. Visit us online anytime at lakelandtoyota.com. Stop in and see us at 2925 Mall Hill Drive in Lakeland, Florida.